So this is brilliant. Sure. Okay. Okay. So this is brilliant and it's GR86.
Orangnya hilang.
Jangan ngarep, jangan ngarep dulu.
Si Uniqlo UT-nya ganti. Jadi adalah dia tukang ngurusin hypebeast gitu.
Welcome back to Build by Apes. My name is Luke and today we are wrapping this GR86. Okay, so this GR86 is actually our fourth customer in Indonesia. We did three before this, the Cayman, the Civic, and the Mark X, and this is the fourth one. This particular one is pretty unique because we are actually wrapping it in the orange first, and then we are putting the ITASHA on top of it. This character's name is Kirana Magic. She is a music producer, and if you are wondering what she does some music producing, of course, and you can find her music at SoundCloud, YouTube, Google, and you can also find her on Spotify. And this ITASHA has three different sides. The first one is the hood, which is here. She is wearing like a white sailor suit, I think. And the other side will be wearing like some kind of witch dresses, I think. And for the other side, she'll look like an angel, which is besides I really like because we spend so much time doing the details, and the wings that Ben draw is just amazing.
there. My name is Brilliant, never call me Brilliant. And here I have my ITASHA for the theme is for Paramedic. Paramedic is my favorite first music computer because at first I just listening some random music and something just feel like snap when I heard listen to her music. And then I try to look her channels and some albums and her style is really suit with me. Killer Magic is special to me because she helped me through my hardship and the reason why is when I try to apply to aviation school, sometimes I feel kind of down. I cannot move or something. I feel I cannot do anything. And at that time, she really sing music that really touched my heart. It's like the music called Beyond the Sky. When I listen to it, I listen every day, every week. It's really engaged me to that time. And that's why I put some lyrics in my ITASHA. Spread my brothers' wings as with the winds and something like go on an endless journey to the place where the stars reach. That's two lyrics really touched my heart. Really meaningful for me.
Hi guys, so we're back on day 2. To recap yesterday's session, we installed the orange wrap on it, and today we're gonna put the ITASHA on it. We got more people working on it today, so hopefully we can get it done by this evening. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now we're installing the base orange wrap on the bumper. It is more tricky than the rest of the ITASHAs because it have more contour, it have more notches, fans, sharp edges. So let's hope for the best. Okay guys, so now this side is finished. They're preparing to the other side to install the other one. So let's see how it goes.